Hi everyone. In this video, we will talk about mQuery, and then we will draw our first visualization. In the top left corner, you'll notice what Power BI has done for me. It figured out the pattern of my actions and then automatically generated what's known as an mQuery. mQuery, or M for short, stands for mashup. Now, if you are thinking about whether DAX is the same as M, well, they're actually different. M is primarily used for data cleansing, data transformations, and data shaping. It's the language of choice for cleaning up your data. However, you probably won't be writing M code from scratch very often. Most of the time, you'll use the user interface to generate M code for you. On the other hand, DAX is a different story. It's used for analytical calculations. DAX is the go-to language when you're building analytical calculations, such as comparing this year's revenue to last year's revenue or determining what last year's revenue was. You'd use DAX functions like same period last year for these types of calculations. If you ever need to modify the M code, you can do that under the Home tab. The Advanced Editor, where you can get into the code directly. Our next goal is to present these results in a report and visualize the data to answer questions like, which state in the United States has the highest number of failed banks? To find the answer, we first need to load our data into the data model. To do this, go to the top left corner under the Home tab and select Close and Apply. This action closes the Power Query Editor and loads the data into our data model. Once loaded, you'll see the data list on the right. It now includes the failed banks table. We'll answer the question using a stack bar chart. Click on the stack bar chart option in the Visualizations pane on the right. You can resize and move it as needed. Now, let's add the necessary fields. In the data list, expand the failed banks table. We'll bring in the state column into the y-axis and the bank name into the x-axis. For now, we want to do a simple count to determine the number of failed banks. And there you have it. The state with the most failed banks is Georgia. It's fascinating how within a short time, we've gone from having no data to creating meaningful visuals and answering questions. In the next video, we will talk about data modeling and relationships between multiple sources. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss out.